Good morning. My name is Ali. Today is Monday. Oh no! I am late for school. Ah! I need to brush my teeth quickly. Now I feel fresh and ready. Oh, I need to get dressed very fast. Sarah, wake up! It is morning! 5 more minutes, please. Wow! Breakfast smells amazing! Come and sit down, Allie. Thank you, Mom. I love this breakfast. You are welcome, Allie. Hey, that is my toast. Oh!
The cat is very hungry.
He's got your toast.
Don't worry, Allie. Here is another toast.
Thank you, Dad. I am ready for school. Have a wonderful day, Allie. Goodbye, Mom. Study hard and have fun. Goodbye, Dad. What a beautiful morning. Good morning, Allie. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Allie. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, Ali. Please take your seat.
Today we will learn English together.
I am ready. Ali, how are you today? I am happy and I am ready to learn.